Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do kind of a quick eye look. I've done the rest of my makeup, but I just wanted to do the Just Peachy Mattes. Great palette, really fun. I've had this for a while when it came out, but I haven't even showed you guys or done even a look. I love peaches and pinks together, really dark pinks and browns, and this is kind of what I came up with. I could have probably done a more dramatic look for night, but I love this look. I just think it's so pretty and soft and a nice, really good spring look. If you want to see how I just got this look, just keep on watching. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm just going to go into my palette. I haven't done this palette, and it's just a really quick video on this palette. Look how pretty it is. It smells divine, just divine. I just think it smells, I don't know, maybe it's kind of creepy. It smells so good. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into a little bit of the peaches and cream, and the peach tree. So the peaches and cream and the peach tree. I'm going to blend them a little bit. I'll put it all over the lid. Just really blend it. This brush from It is such a great brush to really sit there and blend, blend, blend. I love it. It's really soft, so I'm not like really pulling my skin. Just really nice. Nice little brush. I'm going to go ahead and just do my lid really fast. I'm going to go in with the peach butter. It's just like a light cream. Just a nice cream base. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC 217. And I'm going to go in with the peach sangria. It's a really dark pink. I'm going to put that on there. Take off a lot of the excess. And I am just going to... Such a pretty, pretty pink. I'm just going to blend that. This is such a great packaging. I love this packaging. And I'm just going to blend this all the way in. You can always build, so just take your time on color. Oh, I love this color. It's just a really, really soft pink. It looks really dark when you do it, but it really isn't. And if you take your time and really just build, it's really pretty. And I just like to just put it in the corner, really mix it in, mix it. Or blend, I keep on saying mix. And then I get a little bit on the edge, outer. Okay, and I'm just going to buff it because I don't want it to really have a line. I really want it to be really soft. Okay, I'm going to put a little shimmer inside, and I'm going to get my Persona palette, not palette, Persona Zuma highlighter. Love this highlighter. And I'm going to take my finger, and I'm just going to press in there. Look at that. I am going to press in there. Just get it in the corner. I don't care if I get it in the corner because I'm going to put it there anyways. Then I'm going to take that MAC brush again, and I am just going to blend that Zuma in. I just love this. I use highlighter from my shadow a lot. I play with it all the time. So now I'm going to go in with chocolate dipped, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a smoky liner. But at first I'm going to start with just a little bit of this color at the base. I'm not going to make a big wing, I'm just going to go a little bit out. Okay, then I'm going to go in with a little I just want like a little smudger brush. I'm gonna go with a little smudger brush. I don't know where I got this. It's like a cheap brush. I'm gonna go in with that Just Right color. It's like that really pretty pink. I'm gonna rub that. Okay, I need to use that Intense Mirror. And I'm gonna go on top of that brown and kind of just blend it out. Just gonna smudge it. Go back in with that dark chocolate. Just go on top of that again. And I'm just going to lightly go under my eye. Just really light. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with that Just Right, that burgundy color. That's so pretty. Really tap it off. Just kind of lightly just go underneath. Okay, so then I'm going to take just a clean fluffy brush, and this is all clean, and I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, so then I'm going to go in here with the white. It's the whitest color on here on the palette, and I like to go underneath. So I dip the tip in it, kind of. I just run it. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I got my eyelashes on. I'm gonna go in with the Zuma highlighter really quickly and go with a pointer brush, and I'm just gonna highlight the inner corner a little bit more so it really kind of pops a little bit. I really love that Peaches and Cream palette. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna set a little bit more. On my lips, I got Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liner, and then I got Tiramisu and Vanilla Cream Pie. I put both of those on my lips. So that's Just Peachy Mattes. I think this is a great palette. If you like the peaches and the pinks tones, you can always add glitter like I did. I love mattes, and I just use my highlighters just to put extra glitter on, or just something sparkly and shiny. I think all the colors here are really pretty. I just don't come to these guys. These are too peachy for me. So I know there's other colors out there you can get in these kind of palettes, but that pink, these shades are to die for. They're really, really pretty. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love it. I just think you can get a lot of different kind of looks for this eye look and in this palette, and it smells really good. So thanks for watching and tuning in just for this quick eye look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!